students, today we are going to study about the topic wind, storms and cyclones. Okay, last day we study about the first part of the chapter. Today we are going to study about the remaining last part of the chapter. Okay, please listen. Today we are going to study about the topic thunderstorms and cyclones. Okay, last day we study about wind. Today thunderstorms and cyclones. Thunderstorms develop in hot, humid tropical areas like India. Okay, where thunderstorms develop in a hot climate. Okay, in a hot climate, thunderstorms develop. The rising temperature produce strong upward rising wind. Okay, the rising temperature produce what? Upward rising wind. While thunder. Okay, while thundering, the rising temperature produces what? Strong upward rising of wind. Then these wind carry water drops upwards where they freeze and fall down again. Okay, these wind carry what? Water drops upwards, then it freeze and fall down again like a rain. Okay, a shift movement of the falling water drops along with the rising air create what? Lightning and sound. The shift movement means the water drops is going upwards and it freeze and fall down again like a raindrops. This shift movement takes place because of what? Along with the rising air create lightning. What it create? Lightning and sound. While thundering, there is a lightning and sound occur, right? It is this event that we call what? Thunderstorm. Okay, the lightning and sound, what we call it as thunderstorm. Okay, thunderstorm develop in hot and heat climate. Hot and as well as heat climate. The rising temperature produce what? Strong wind upwards, rising upwards. Then the wind carry water drops upwards and then it freeze and fall down again like a rainwater. Okay, this shift movement, what we call it as rising air create lightning and sound. Okay, what we call this as lightning and sound? Thunderstorm. Then how a thunderstorm becomes a cyclone. Okay, how the thunderstorm becomes a cyclone. Before cloud formation, water takes place upheat from the atmosphere to change into vapor. Okay, while heat, the water vapor go upwards and fall like a raindrops, that we know, right? When water vapor changes back to liquid form as a raindrops, this heat is released to the atmosphere. Okay, when water vapor changes back to liquid form as water drops, what happened? The heat is released to the atmosphere. The heat released to the atmosphere warm the air round. Okay, the heat released to the atmosphere warms the what? Air around. Okay, the air tends to rise and cause what? Drop in pressure. The air tends to rise and cause what? Drop in air pressure. More air rushes to the center of the storm. Okay, this cycle is repeated again and again. The chain of event ends with the formation of very low pressure system with very high speed wind revolving around it. The chain of these events in the cycle is repeating again and again. This chain events end with the formation of very low pressure system with very high speed wind revolving around it. Okay, very low pressure system with very high speed wind revolving around it. It is this weather condition that we call as what? Cyclone. Factors like wind speed, wind direction, temperature and humidity contribute to the development of cyclones. Okay, with low pressure system into very high speed wind revolving around it are altogether called what? Cyclone. The factors like wind speed, wind direction, where the wind is going, where the wind is producing, then temperature, humidity contribute to the development of the cyclones. Okay, these are the factors to develop cyclones. Okay, then structure of a cyclone. Now we are going to study about the structure of the cyclone. Here the center of the cyclone is in this picture. A cyclone picture is present in this slide. The center of the cyclone is a calm area. Okay, here there is a center. No, that is what we call that area as calm area. It is called the eye of the storm. Okay, the calm area is called as what? Eye of the storm. We are having eye. Likewise, the center of the cyclone, what we call it as eye of the storm. A large cyclone is a violently rotating mass of air, okay, in the atmosphere, 10 to 15 kilometer high. Okay, what we call that large cyclone as? Rotating mass of air in the atmosphere up to 10 to 15 kilometers high. Cyclone is nothing but a air. More air, the increasing of air in the atmosphere up to 10 to 15 kilometer means high, means what we call it as large cyclone. Okay, the diameter of the eye varies from 10 to 30 kilometer. Okay, the diameter of the eye, the center of the cyclone varies from 10 to 30 kilometer. It is a region free of clouds and have light wind. Okay, it is a region where the clouds are and its light wind are present. Okay, in this area. Around this calm and clear eye, there is a cloud region of about 150 kilometer in size. Okay, around this calm and clear eye, there is a cloud region of about 150 kilometer in size. Okay, around the calm area means it's a clear eye. The center of the cyclone, the cloud region are about what? 150 kilometer in size. Okay, in the cyclone area. In this region, there are high speed wind and thick clouds with heavy rain are present. Okay, in this region, very high speed wind and thick clouds with heavy rain are present. Away from this region, the wind speed gradually decreases. Away from this region, wind speed is gradually decreases. But in that region, the wind or more high speed wind are present. But away from this region, what? The wind speed gradually decreases. The formation of cyclone is a complex process. Okay, the formation of cyclone is a complex process. These are the structure of cyclone. Then, destruction caused by cyclone. What are the destruction caused by cyclone? Cyclones can be very destructive, that we know, right? Strong winds push water towards the shore even if the storm is hundreds of kilometers away. The strong wind pushes the water towards the shore. The storm is hundreds of kilometers away. Right? The strong wind only first produce. Then it pushes the water. These are the first indication of the approaching cyclone. These are the first indication. If these occur means this is the first indication of cyclone. You want to guess it. Okay. Then the water waves produced by the wind are so powerful that a person cannot overcome them. Okay. The water waves also produced by the wind. Okay. It is so powerful that a person cannot overcome them. If cyclone occur means the second step is the waves are very fast by using what? Produced by the wind. Okay, the waves are very fast. Then the low pressure in the eye lift water surface in the center. The low pressure in the eye, we know that center surface. The eye lift water surface in the center. The rising water may be as high as 3 to 12 meters. Okay, the rising water may be While cyclone occur, the water may be rising, that we know, right ma? The rising water may be high as 3 to 12 meters. Then it appear like a water wall moving towards the shore. In the picture also, the it is like a wall. The water is moving towards the shore like a wall, like a round wall. Then it appears like a water wall moving towards the shore. As a result, what? The seawater enters the low-lying coastal areas, causing severe loss of life and property. As a result, the seawater enter into the coastal areas. There, severe loss of life and also property. Some people properties also they lost while water enter into the coastal areas. It also reduces the fertility of soil. It also reduces what? Fertility of soil. Continuous heavy rainfall may further worsen the flood situation. Okay, continuous heavy rainfall may further worsen the flood situation. Okay, these are the destruction caused by cyclone. These are the destructions. Next, our topic is tornadoes. Okay, tornadoes. In our country, they are not very frequent. Okay, in our country, they are not very frequent. Tornadoes are in our country, they are not very frequent. A tornado is a dark funnel-shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground. See the picture. Tornado is a dark funnel-shaped cloud. It is a dark funnel-shaped cloud. It reaches from the sky to the ground. See the picture, ma? Then most of the tornadoes are weak. A violent tornado can travel at a speed of 300 km per hour. Okay, the tornado can travel at a speed of 300 km hour. Okay, tornado is a dark funnel shaped cloud. It is a cloud. It is a dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground. Its height is from sky to the ground. Okay, then most of the tornadoes are weak. A violent tornado can travel at a speed of about 300 km per hour. Okay, tornadoes may form within cyclones. Okay, tornadoes may form within cyclones. The whole coastal line of India is vulnerable to cyclones. Okay, the whole coastal of India vulnerable to cyclones, particularly the east coast. Okay, particularly the east coast. The whole coastal line of India is vulnerable to cyclones, but particularly the east coast. Okay, the west coast of India is less vulnerable. Okay, to cyclonic storms, both in terms of intensity and frequency of the cyclones. Okay, it is based on the frequency and intensity of the cyclone. Okay, the west coast of India is less vulnerable to cyclonic storms, both in terms of intensity and frequency of the cyclones. Based on effective safety measures, a cyclone forecast what? Warning service. Rapid communication of warning to the government agencies like what? The port, fishermen, ships, and to the general public. They want to give a warning message or communication. Okay, then construction of cyclone shelter in a cyclone prone areas and administrative arrangement for moving people from fast to safer place. They want to give allot a place to people for moving. Okay, they want to give shelter to the people, so they want to fastly move the people from one place to another. Okay, these are the effective safety measures taken by the government. Then the next thing is some other precaution if you are staying in the cyclone hit area. What are the precaution? Do not drink water that could be contaminated. Okay, do not drink water that could be contaminated. Then always store drinking water for emergency. Okay, always we want to store a drinking water for what? Emergency, we need water. So we want to store drinking water. Do not touch wet switches and fallen power lines. Okay, do not touch wet switches and also fallen power lines. Okay, the power lines may be fall down. Do not touch the power lines as well as wet switches. Then do not go out just for a shake of fun. Okay, do not go out for a fun. Do not pressurize the rescue force by making undue demand. Okay, do not pressurize the rescue force by making undue demands. Okay, then cooperate to and help your neighbors and friends. Okay, cooperate and help your neighbors and friends. We want to join together and help our neighbors and friends. Okay, then advanced technology has helped. What are the advanced technologies? In the early part of the last century, coastal residents may have less than day to prepare or evacuate their homes from an oncoming cyclone. Okay, there is a coastal residents may have less than a day to prepare a evacuate homes from an oncoming cyclones. We want to prepare a good home from the oncoming cyclone. Okay, then the world today is very difficult. The world today is very difficult. Thanks to satellite and radars, cyclone alert or cyclone watches issued 48 hours in advance of any expected storm, and cyclone warning is issued 24 hours in advance. Okay, we want to thank what? Satellite as well as radars. They are giving alert in 48 hours and in advance of unexpected storm as well as cyclone. Okay, then the messages is broadcast every half an hour when a cyclone is nearer the coast. They are broadcasting the messages every half an hour. Okay, several national and international organizations cooperate to monitor the cyclone related disaster. Okay, there are some national and international organizations cooperate and monitor the cyclone related what? Disaster. Okay, these are about today's topic. Thank you.